Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Oh my god, okay, so we just got to this hotel. We've got a nice pool party going on the roof over there. So we've got a little like park area down there and it is just so cute. Yeah, Jaci's hair and makeup is looking so bomb right now. Tell them where we're going.
Ariana Grande.
This is our room. So here is the bathroom. And then we've got all of our stuff in here. And then we've got the kitchen in here, which I am obsessed with. Everything about this. I just think this is the cutest kitchen ever. And then we've got the living room area. And then a little balcony out here. I've got to go get ready. And yeah, we will see you guys afterwards. Okay, so I'm all dressed. We just got done getting ready. Well, Jaci's still getting ready, but I just got done getting ready. Okay, what? My camera was still recording too. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you guys my outfit. Maybe if I stand back or if I put you guys down a little lower. But my original outfit did not come in. So this is what we're working with. We go all the way back here. Okay, you can kind of see from back here. I've got the Doc Martens on. Belt is from All Darling. The shirt, my boyfriend had to go pick up for me because my outfit didn't come in. So I'm wearing, this is like a dress with like some shorts underneath it. And then I've got my clear bag that we had to bring. So this one's just from Fashion Nova, but we come down here. But yeah, and then I'll show you guys what Jaci's wearing, but I also got this little hair clip thing I'm gonna wear. So I'm so excited. Jaci, nice outfit.
Thank you.
Loving it. Wow! Oh my god, how cute is this? We're trying to find a place. I'm starving. The restaurant we were gonna eat at had like a 45-minute wait, and I was like, I needed food way before then, so I don't know. So now we're trying to find somewhere. No, it actually. How come I look tanner than you in this? I don't know. Battery must be the light. Dinner was amazing. It was really good. We ate everything, and it was a bomb. Okay, so we're back from the concert. It's so late, it's after midnight. We're so exhausted, but Jeffree Star just posted like a video, like if you're keeping up with the whole James and Tati thing. So we're like really excited to go watch this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. And then, yeah, that's it. But the concert was great. It was really fun. Ariana was amazing and everything was like space stuff, which was super cool because I love space. So yeah, very fun. And I'm really, really tired. Got the snacks. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. We just got ready. We're about to go out for breakfast, but I wanted to show you guys the view. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous morning. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'll zoom in. Right there, that is the gym, like right in there. So I really want to go check that out later. And there's a pool up there. I also want to go see that. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and try to show you guys my outfit real quick. I couldn't decide between two different ones, so I think I'm just gonna wear the other one tonight. Let's see. Okay, so I'm wearing this skirt from Princess Polly, and I've got this shirt from Brandy Melville that I'm wearing, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear this ascot or not. I think ascots are so cute, but I don't know. I might. And then I brought this jacket just in case it gets cold at the restaurant. It's from Revolve. And then my favorite sneakers and my new sunglasses. So we're gonna go ahead and head out and go to breakfast. And I'm really excited about it because it's a really cute, like, Paris, like, vibe kind of cafe. So, very thrilled. Okay. Bye. Guys, how cool is this gym? You can do like your little spin stuff. We might come back here later, but and work out. Guys, how cute. This is so cool. Yeah, we're definitely not dressed for the gym right now. We'll come back here later to work out. Jaci, I know you love to dabble in the pool. I know you love dabbling in the pool. It's gorgeous today.
Church? It's a church.
Hi, church. Probably haunted.
Let's go explore.
We're gonna go explore. This is so cute. Jaci, this coffee's amazing. How was yours? How was it? Really good? This is literally the cutest place. If you're ever in Houston, come to Sweet Paris. We got grapes, and I'm so excited for it. They all sound so excited. I got a strawberry Nutella crepe, and I'm so excited because I've never had a crepe before. So I'm so pumped to eat this. And how was your crepe? Really good? Guys, it's the most gorgeous day. We just went to Lush. Now we're going to Brandy Melville, and this is gonna be Jaci's first time going to Brandy. So yeah. I'm so pumped about this. It's gonna be fun. Probably gonna spend way too much money as usual, but it'll be all right. My favorite place ever. Oh, they look so good.
Red vanilla.
Guys, I think I'm gonna get that one. It's strawberry shortcake and then a pink lemonade. That'd be good. Guys, I got some mango sorbet. Which flavor did you get?
Just vanilla bean.
Vanilla? This looks really yummy. Just so much today, so it was definitely a very successful shopping trip. And we have so many bags, so we definitely have to go back to the hotel and drop these things off. Literally changing outfits to go shopping again somewhere else. Yeah, I know, we're like that. I wanted to show you guys real quick what I got. So, got some bath bombs. Okay, so then we went to Brandy Melville, which is like my favorite store. And I got a few things. Okay, first I got these pink sweatpants. These are so cute. I can't wait to wear these. And then I got...
That's better?
Yeah, that's really cute. I like it. I got these pants, which are just like kind of flared at the bottom and they're high-waisted. So these are going to be really cute with like sneakers or something. Or even like Doc Martens. And then I got this scrunchie because I love scrunchies. And then I got some jewelry. I got the little star necklace. I think this is so cute. And then I got the star earrings to go with it. Well, I'm holding that up first. I'm gonna go and change real quick. And yeah, we're gonna go do some more shopping. So. Guys, okay, so we're about to go to like dinner, but we wanted to come up to the pool and like sit by it for a minute before we go. But it's so hot and the pool feels so nice, and we wanted to get in, but our swimsuits are back in the room, and then we don't have time to like get in the pool and then re-get ready. Just, you know, putting our feet in the pool until we can come in at tonight. We're in the little courtyard area, and it's so cute. Like, oh my god. They got little cute hammocks and tables, and pretty flowers. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, so we're back from dinner. We're at the gym. So we came to sit like on the roof by the pool, and it feels so nice. We have our feet in right now, but it's so pretty out. We have the city right there. Yeah, it's pretty. We're playing around a pool? Is that what it's called? Like around a pool?
Okay, so that's yours.
I must be a professional.
Don't show again. Yeah.
I must be a professional.
I don't even know how to fucking do this.
Oh my god.
You're about to beat me.
I'm the queen of the pool. This is like my real life. Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to leave. I got everything all packed up and ready to go. I really don't want to leave this place though because it's so nice. But I'm just gonna try to find like a coffee shop close by, maybe something really cool and good. All the coffee I've had here so far has been amazing, so hopefully I can find a really cool place today. And my voice is kind of going out. Bye pool, I'll miss you. Going to miss most about this place is the pool on the roof. Bye place. Guys, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave either. How about we just like buy a place here?
Seriously.
We could do that.
Once I'm done with school.
Oh my god, they have a hydro massage thing here. This is so weird. This is so weird.
Headband?
I got the oatmeal latte. The oatmeal latte for like Caramel Life. This place is called Space Things, which is like so new. I'm very, very, very happy about this. Okay guys, so it's time to drop Jaci off. Yeah, I'm so sad. I don't want the weekend to end. Well, the week.
It is. It has already ended.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will leave Jaci's Instagram so you guys can go follow her down below. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.